Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, let me show you how to install or run the Linux application as if it is a Windows native application. It is all possible thanks to the WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux. Also, thanks to the Windows Subsystem for Linux, you can even install the Google Play Store in your Windows 11 and Windows 10 machine. The process are really simple. But in this video, our main focus is to run the Linux apps into your Windows machine. So the process is really simple. The first step is to install the WSL. This is the command. And aside from that, you have to once it is installed, you need to add a user and a password to that Linux distro, and finally you have to install the app that you are trying to use inside your Windows. So let's go ahead and begin the process. Just right click on the start menu and choose Windows Terminal and press yes. Okay, before getting into installing, okay, just simply let's go ahead, type wsl-install. Okay, I did wrong there, something, wsl-install. I need to fix that into that article. Okay, once you executed this command, it is going to install the virtual machine platform. It is a Windows feature. Aside from that, it is also going to install the Windows Subsystem for Linux. And if some components were not available, as you can see, the WSL kernel, it is downloading that from internet. And after that one, it is also going to download the Ubuntu. And aside from that, it's going to install that. Let me take you while we are here. Notice some useful commands I have inserted there, and there is also a link. I need to fix that. In any case, there is a link. If you click on it, open in the new tab, it will open into the Microsoft website. In any case, if you type this command wsl list online, it's going to show you the list of the available distros that can be installed inside your Windows machine. So if you are not interested in running Ubuntu inside your Windows machine, you can use any other Linux distro. But as long as you execute this command, it is going to install Ubuntu using the WSL on your system. So it is going to take a while. Once it is done, I will be back with you guys. So for now, let's just wait. As you can see, Ubuntu has been installed, but it will take effect once you reboot your computer. So let's go ahead and reboot the computer. The moment you restart your computer, the installation of Ubuntu will begin. However, a small part is missed from the video, but still we are here in this section. So here it is asking to add a username and password to the Ubuntu. For now, you have to add a username. I will be adding Abbas, a password, re-enter the password, and now it is successfully done. Okay, for the next step, we have to install any Linux application inside your Windows. So for that, unfortunately, I have not remembered the command, but if I have to open one of my websites, it is new website, you can say, textra.com. Let me have to pause the song, which okay, how to easily run Linux apps on a Windows. So this is the article, and I need to fix that code. Don't worry, you have to copy this command and execute that directly here. Enter your password. and now it is beginning to download the Ubuntu text editor in Windows. So wait for it. Finally, you can have a look here that the text editor that we installed through Ubuntu has been installed, but we need to launch it. So you can launch it either graphically from the start menu, or you can launch it from the Ubuntu itself. But for now, let's click on the start menu and take a look where it is. So let's go ahead, click on all apps and find out that okay, here you can have a look here under the Ubuntu. There is the text editor, which is inside parenthesis of Ubuntu. If you click on it, wait a moment, and now you can have a look here. This is the text editor of Linux inside Windows. Even if now you close that one, you can still use it and you are comfortable with. So the same way you can install other Linux application inside your Windows, such as the Linux apps that are common, maybe GIMP or Nostelius, VLC, X11 apps, and many more. So any Linux app that has GUI, graphic user interface, you can install that inside your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PC and try it out right away. So I hope you have liked this video. In any case, this is how you can install Windows native Linux application as a Windows native apps on your Windows. So I hope you have liked this video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, and have a nice day and goodbye.